So you want to know how to prank? I'm Dennis.
And I'm Brad.
And we're going to show you 5 pranks for under $5. This prank is super easy. Go to the dollar store and get yourself some of these coin stickers. And what you're going to do is peel off these stickers. Now, it's really easy to go to the vending machine at your school and you're going to put these coins all around the floor. But first you got to get some scissors and carefully just cut that white trim right off of that. You don't want that whiteness there because then they're going to see it and they're going to know, wait a minute, that's a sticker. So just cut all around that white off. Boom, now you got your quarter stuck out. You can put these at the cash register at the grocery store, put it by the refrigerator, put it by the vending machine in school. Just put it anywhere and just watch people try to pick it up and then realize, that's not a quarter?
Okay, so next up you will need to get a bone popper. You can only get these on prankkits.com. I will put the link in the description. You can want to pop anything you want. So first of all, I want to pop my neck. Oh, like that. So it really works if you have 4. So I'm going to put one in my pocket, one in my other pocket, and one in my hand. So I'll be walking down the street and I'll go, oh. And then I'll put my hand in my pocket again and go, oh. And it pops just like that. So if you want to win one of these, all you have to do is like the video and comment bone popper down below. Let's go on to the next one.
Alright, this one you can get at Dollar General. Right here you get a fake lottery ticket. And what happens is whenever somebody starts scratching, I get this big coin. Boom, 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 boom. What is it? What is it? It's a lucky winner. You won $5,000. You're rich. You made it. You made it to the big league. Now go give it to your friends and family.
Okay guys, so my dad's over there, so now we're going to give him a lottery ticket. Let's go. The lucky leprechaun. Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
I was at the store today and I figured your birthday's coming up, so I got you a lottery ticket.
Thanks. A little bit a month early, but that's okay.
It's alright.
You got a coin or something?
A penny or do you want a quarter?
Oh, yeah, funny. Okay, match 3 like amounts, win that amount.
Okay. I know you like leprechauns, lucky leprechaun.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see.
Oh, 10.
Okay.
Okay, that's cool. 10.
Okay.
Win match 3. Ooh, 10,000.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, 10, 10, 10. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, right. No!
Keep going. One more. You won!
Match 3 like amount.
You won!
Man!
You won!
Yeah!
You won!
Buying you dinner!
Yeah!
Best birthday ever!
It's just a prank.
What do you mean?
It's a fake lottery ticket. Look, this is not valid at all.
Oh, goodness.
It's a fake lottery ticket.
Alright, this one you want to get some small spider stickers that have a clear background so it's not white, it's just the spider. And then go in here in the bathroom and you're going to pull one ply and get to the second roll and put this spider right there. Now, you just go ahead and roll it. See how it's all spider? And just tuck it behind one. Boom. So now, whenever someone comes to the bathroom and they go, ah! Look at that. That is awesome. It looks so good, so real. We're just going to tuck that right there and just wait for your little brother, sister, girlfriend, whoever, to scream running out the bathroom. This is the fake phone prank. This is not a real phone. It's a demo phone. What we're going to do is we're going to stick the charging cord into the bottom and we're going to drag it from the car. All you got to do is shut the door on the cord and drive around a parking lot, grocery store, and everyone's going to freak out. Hey, sir, your phone is dragging from your car. Epic reactions every single time. Like this video if you would stop somebody if you saw their phone dragging from the car. Check it out.
Yo! No!
Oh, I know. I got it there on purpose.
Why?
It's my girl's phone. I caught it.
I know it!
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure if you see that big red subscribe button, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Also, do us a favor and like the video and leave us a comment down below what your favorite fruit is or ask us a question. We're going to be responding to every single comment for the first 24 hours, so you better be fast.
And if you guys really want a bone popper, all you gotta do is type bone popper in the comments. We're gonna pick 4 lucky winners.
4, you guys can win bone poppers.
Live inspired,
Shock the world.
See you next time.